Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for social media management. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, and make sure you're logged in into an account. If you're not, go and create an account. And of course, once you're logged in, you should go and create a board if you still don't have a board yet. And of course, if you have members, make sure to go to this left panel and click members and make sure to invite them using their email address or name if they have a Trello account. And if they don't have it, or even if they have it, you can invite them using this link. Copy it or click on it and to copy, and you can paste it to your team members. Now, as an example, once you invite them, as an example, as we said, we want to use it for social media management. This is, of course, you invite members if you have a team. If you don't have a team, you can simply just go and start accessing your board. Let's say, an example, I do have here a board for as a team board. And let's say, as an example, such I'm using like this for team management or for market or for social media management. Basically, I'll have a list. So I'm just going to archive this list and I'm going to keep those lists as an example. So this is the template I have here. And even archive this as an example or delete it. And yeah, so as an example, this is a template that you can use for social media management. So as an example, you can create some lists like this marketing list, research lists, as an example, review and done. An example, you can start creating some tasks for each person if you have a team. If you don't have a team, of course, you can do that for you as well. So for marketing example, make some ads for, as examples, for client one, as example, let's say here, for like client, I don't know if you're working as an agency with clients. I don't know what are you doing specifically. So I'm just creating some random tasks in here, and it's totally up to you to customize those tasks. And basically, you'll have to create a card as tasks. I'm just going to type here test. Let's say it's a task. An example, this is like the task that I need to do for marketing. As example, this is the task that I need to do for research. And once I finish them, I can take them into review. And if it's reviewed and everything is good, you can simply take them into done as example and check the button. And if you take it to done and maybe something is wrong with review, maybe you didn't like something, you can simply check it and see, okay, this is not completed, it needs to be redone or something like that. So you can even create another list and you can name it its need or its need yeah, it needs to be redone. As an example, you can take it here instead. So yeah, that's how you basically do it. You can simply just divide big tasks into small tasks and you'll be able to simply use it for social media management. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.